What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we'll continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you that Tesla is nearing the crucial range of support that might hold or that might be broken by the price action. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So, let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very top, and I've told you that we were basically on our way to hit lower targets because let me show you in details this movement, the latest movement to the downside. As you can see, Tesla has from its recent swing high of $1,154 this movement to the downside, and on a bigger scale this asset has first wave, second, third, fourth. We were forming the top of our fourth wave right here, and for now we are seeking the bottom of our fifth wave, and definitely we have this point at $617 as the lowest point so far, and probably we have about 10 to 15% probability to make this bottom as the lowest point, and probably we might have the double bottom pattern somewhere from this range, and from this level we might hit higher targets. But most probable we have about 60% probability to hit lower price targets, and in this case we will complete the fifth wave somewhere at the ranges of roughly $500, and in this case we will complete the entire ABC correction from its recent swing high, from this point to somewhere lower point. And what should we expect next in details I will show you in my technical analysis. But for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let me show you that on official Tesla Twitter page we have this news that on June 18th Giga Berlin hit 1,000 vehicles per week. And on my previous video I've told you that Giga Berlin were nearing this range, but for now it hit it, and definitely it is a very good milestone for Giga Berlin. On top of that, let me show you that we have this news that was published on June 16th, and it's titled "Tesla Fremont Factory Reaches Record Figures, More Cars Than Ever." And the subtitle is "Tesla's very first factory is now more productive than it has ever been in its entire life." And Elon Musk is looking for locations to build the next gigafactory. And let me quote you this: "Fremont is nowadays capable of producing more cars than in the best year of its life. In 2021, the Californian plant produced a total of 444,600 units, which is equivalent to a total of 8,550 cars per week, making it the reference center in the United States, by the way surprising other industry giants such as Toyota or BMW, which were placed second and third with their American plants." And definitely this achievement is very up to date, because in Q2 2022 Giga Shanghai, its largest plant, basically lost a lot of its production rates because of the lockdowns in Shanghai region, and that's why other plants should restore these numbers in order to reduce the negative impact on the fundamentals of this company in Q2 2022. And this means all other plants should increase their production rates as soon as possible. And Giga Berlin is on its way, and we don't have the exact numbers for Giga Austin, but all in all I have to say that in a matter of just 10 days, we will be at the very end of Q2 2022, and definitely Tesla should put a lot of efforts in order to restore its numbers. So, and let's continue with another news. Right here we have this article that is titled "Tesla's most prolific short seller Jim Chanos claims Tesla investors are overlooking a big risk." And let me quote you this. During a recent appearance at a podcast this week, famed short seller Jim Chanos claimed that Tesla investors are overlooking something very risky about the company. Chanos noted that today Tesla resembles Cisco Systems back in 1999, a company widely considered the poster child of the dot-com bubble. And right here, let me show you this. He still considers Tesla as only a car company, and we have a large suspicion that a disproportionate amount of the profits are coming out of Shanghai, and that raises all kinds of other risks to the multiple. Make no mistake about it, Tesla is a car company. They are building car plants, they are capital intensive, he said. And definitely this opinion is quite common for other short sellers, but I have to say that in general Tesla is not the car manufacturer company, and you cannot compare it with the legacy automakers. For context, Tesla is also building energy storage devices for both residential and industrial applications. The company is also neck deep in AI projects with its FSD initiative and projects like its humanoid robot Optimus. In recent years, Tesla has also started dipping its toes into the battery manufacturing market. And I have to say that Tesla is much more than just an auto manufacturer. It is at least for 50% a software company. And definitely direct comparison with other legacy automakers is not accurate in my opinion. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what do we have right here in our recent movement to the downside? Let me show you this movement in details. Technically, we have basically 5 waves structure in it, but if we count just bottoms and tops, we can count these 5 waves. This is our first wave, second, third, fourth and fifth. But if we dig deeper inside these waves, definitely we cannot count a 5-wave structure, for example, in the 5th wave right here. This means at least one wave is not finished, and this means we might see another leg to the downside that might break the crucial point for Tesla price at $617. So what should we expect next? As I've told you, my main assumption for I guess 2 weeks is that we have to hit lower price targets. And even when we had this bounce to the upside, my main assumption still was that we should land lower, and definitely this movement to the downside was 100% predictable, and definitely for now we have this level as our crucial point. So if you want to invest in this asset and your investment horizon is longer than 12 to 18 months, definitely you can accumulate your position on every daily red candle. But if you want to swing trade this asset, just wait for the confirmation, because if we will have a bounce from this range of support at $617, then let me show you right here. If we will have potentially this type of bounce, then we will have another retracement, and we will exceed the level of previous swing high. Definitely at this point you might accumulate your position with a tight stop loss slightly below this previous bottom. But otherwise, if this asset will break below this range and it might retest it from the bottom, probably like this, we might have this type of movement, then another breakout below this range, then retest it from the bottom, and probably we will break this low as well. This will be the confirmation, the real confirmation of the longer consolidation phase and lower price points, and most likely in this case we might hit even $500 as the range of support. So definitely for now we have 2 options, and the most important point that you should be aware of is this range of support at $617. Let me mark it for you like this. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. Just stay cautious, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the